Hello dear learners, today we are going to talk about the MCQs from social pharmacy according to new regulation and health education community pharmacy according to 1991 regulations. So we are going to talk about few of the MCQs from the chapter demography and family planning part 2. In earlier video, part 1, we have covered the MCQs on demographic cycle and demography actual introduction. The part 2 covers the questions on fertility and the further part of the chapter, that is nothing but contraception, okay, for family planning. The first question from part 2 is fertility is dash, whether it is the ability to bear children, whether it is ability to plan a baby, whether it is ability to grow a children, or all of them. The correct answer is it is just ability to bear a children, whereas the family planning is to plan that how many children should be there in the family. It's a call of couple, so it is family planning. Fertility is just the ability to bear the children. Fertility actually, like all of you might be aware about the ovulation cycle and all. So the ovulation process wherein the ova is released from the ovary to the fallopian tube, and where the ova will unite, this egg will unite with the sperms from the male, and it will form a fertile, like it is nothing but a fertilization process. So the female age is like from 15 to 45 is considered as the fertile period, which is approximately of 30 years, okay. But that too, there are groups like age 18 to 24, it is like best age where one can conceive good. Then 25 to 30, there are chances of getting pregnant without any intervention, okay. And then next age 31 to 35, there are conceiving chances, but there is a start of declining stage. It is 36 to 40, it is the declining stage, like the fertility has reduced, and there are risk of the issues with the pregnancy or the fetus which is developing. And 41 to 45, it is very rare that the pregnancy will be conceived, and the body is preparing for the menopause. Next question is TFR stands for dash, whether it stands for total friends rate, how many friends are there, total fertility rate, whether total fall rate, total fertility ratio. The correct answer is it is total fertility rate. TFR stands for total fertility rate. Total fertility rate is nothing but the number of children born divided by women which are there in the reproductive age, that is 15 to 45. Okay. So this is the estimate of number of children born to each female in her reproductive period, that is from the age 15 to 45. Next question is total number of children born by a woman during her reproductive age 15 to 45 year is an indicative of dash. Now just now we have seen total fertility rate is nothing but total number of children which can be born by a female during her reproductive age. So it is whether it is TFR, whether it is GFR, whether it is MFR or RRR. The correct answer is it is TFR, that is total fertility rate. Next question is various measures to bring down the population include dash, whether it includes marriage age, whether education, whether family planning, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Why? Because to control the population, to bring down the population, as we all know, the factors which are affecting the fertility, like it is starting from the age of the marriage, like lesser the age, more number of the childs will be there. Education also plays the role. Highly educated people, if you will see, they plan the family well. Then various other factors are there, जैसे कि for example your income is there, okay, then your economy means income related only thing is there, okay. So the others are like family planning, which like contraceptive methods usage and all. So it is marriage age, education, family planning. If the listed factors, if you will consider, the marriage age, yes, it is one of the factor. Education, yes, it is one of the factor, because thinking ability, attitude, education changes the attitude, knowledge, okay. Then family planning, yes, correct. So which contraceptive one is using? So it is all of them. Next question is, way of life adopted by the married couples to promote the health and welfare of their families is nothing but, whether it is family planning, whether it is family settling, whether it is family shifting, or all of them. The correct answer is it is family planning. According to the WHO, the family planning is nothing but it is the way of thinking which is adopted by a married couple based on their knowledge, based on their attitude, that to contribute to the family welfare, to promote their family welfare, as well as to contribute towards the social development of the country. Next question is, like, see this family planning is nothing but family welfare, okay, 2 kids, hum do hamare do, and as well as along with that it is developing or it is contributing towards the development of the country also. Next question is, objectives of family planning do not work for which of the given objective? Means what are the objectives of family planning in short? Whether it is to avoid unwanted birth and to bring about wanted birth, whether it is to regulate the spacing between the children, whether it is to control the time at which birth occurs in the relation to the age of the parents, or to prevent the disease in the population. The correct answer is it is to prevent the disease in the population, because family planning works towards or it aims towards not having the unwanted birth of the child, to avoid the unwanted birth, to bring about the wanted birth. It also regulates the spacing when the family is not complete, when couple desires to have the gap between the two childs, okay. Then to control the time at which birth occurs in relation to the age of the parents, yes, it is complete purely decision of the couples, okay. Only it will not work to prevent the disease in the population, because it is not the what you can say, not the section of family planning, like it is not a part. Objectives are this: to avoid unwanted birth, to bring about wanted birth, to regulate the spacing, okay, to control the time at which birth should occur, and to determine the number of children in the family. Next question is, factors which are affecting fertility are dash, whether it is age at the time of marriage, spacing of children, economic status, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Age of marriage will also affect the fertility. Spacing of children will also affect the fertility. How? More the spacing, less will be the number of children. Less is the age, more will be the fertility rate, okay. Economic status, yes, economic status, it is generally observed that the people which are very well set, they have lesser number of children compared to the people in below poverty line or poorly, means poor economic conditions. So all these factors are affecting fertility, women's fertility. The factors which are affecting, like nothing but stress is also there, nutrition is also there, bad habits are also there, infections are also there, okay. But this is from increasing point of view. We are talking about from the family planning point of view. So the major factors which are affecting are age. We are supposed to lessen the number of or lessen the population, okay. Next question is, amongst the given factors, indirect factors responsible for affecting fertility are, whether the given factors are, whether it is age of marriage, nutrition, spacing of children, or economic status. The correct answer is it is nutrition. Why it is an indirect factor? Because age of marriage is directly linked to the fertility, because lesser the age, more will be the children. We have discussed many a times till now. Okay, spacing of children, more the spacing, less will be the number of child. So again it is a directly linked factor. Economic status is also a directly linked factor. Nutrition is only a indirectly linked factor which is not dealing directly with the fertility rate, but yes, it do have the effect on the fertility, because to you think from the mother point of view and the child point of view, if the spacing between the children is less and the nutrition is not proper, then definitely it is affecting the fertility. Next question is, factors which are included in the miscellaneous class affecting fertility are, now the major factors we have discussed 2-3 times till now, and the miscellaneous class ka factor is whether it is sanitation, whether it is the availability of the medical facilities or health status of the people, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Miscellaneous factors includes all these factors. Sanitation is there, availability of medical facilities are also there, health status of the people is also there, hygienicity, personal hygienicity is there. There are many more factors. Next question is, family planning includes dash. Whether it includes sex education, whether it includes premarital consultation and examination, whether it includes carrying out pregnancy test, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Family planning programs includes that you are making people aware about the sex education, premarital consultations are also provided, examinations are also provided, then pregnancy tests, carrying out the number of pregnancy tests is also a count of family planning. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Next question is, family planning is renamed later as dash. Whether it is renamed later as family welfare program, whether family wellness process, whether family willingness program, whether family welfare proposal, which amongst these the family planning is renamed later as family welfare program. Okay, next question is, like family planning program is nothing but family welfare program, which aims towards the birth control, child spacing and all. Okay, next question is, which of the given is a family planning measure? Whether it is increase in fertility rate, whether it is contraception, whether it is proper self-care, all of the above. The correct answer is it is contraception. Family planning is nothing but contraception, which is the measure, like by contraception we can achieve the desired family planning plans, like whatever we have thought of from our family planning point of view. So these are all contraception methods which are available, which we have seen in detail in theory classes, like physical methods are there, okay, barrier methods, chemical methods are there and all. Next question is, ideal properties of contraceptives are whether it should be safe and effective, it should be reversible, it should be easy to use and independent of coitus, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. Contraceptives should be safe, it should be effective, it should be at the same time reversible also when one is thinking from the point of view of spacing of children, and it should be easy to use also, and it should be independent of sexual intercourse, having a coitus, like it should not interfere with the sexual pleasure. So all these properties a contraceptive should have. Next question is, contraceptives are used to dash. Whether to avoid the unwanted pregnancy, whether to have the wanted pregnancy, whether to regulate the fertility, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. By the use of contraceptives, we can avoid unwanted pregnancy. Yes, we can have wanted pregnancy. Or to regulate the fertility. Yes, it definitely regulates the fertility rate because it is controlling the birth rate. So all the options are correct. Next question is, methods of contraception include dash. Whether permanent method, whether temporary method, whether neutral method, or all of them? The correct answer is it is all of them. Methods of contraception include permanent methods also like tubectomy, vasectomy, temporary methods also like physical method, chemical method, and natural methods also. Permanent, it is NANT actually, okay, permanent, NANT. Then next, as you can see here, it is like various contraceptive methods which we have earlier also discussed. Next question is, condoms are classified under dash method, whether physical barrier under temporary method, whether chemical barrier under temporary method, whether behavioral method under miscellaneous class, or none of them. The correct answer is it is physical barrier method, which is physical method. So it is condom is a physical barrier and it is classified under temporary method of contraception. So condoms, there are various types available which we have studied in detail in the theory class, like dry Nero, deluxe condoms, super deluxe condoms, etc. So these are various categories of condoms, flavored condoms, dotted condoms, ribbed condoms, etc. So with this, we finish with few of the MCQs from demography and family planning part 2. Stay tuned for part 3, in which we are going to discuss about the continuation of contraceptives as well as the further part, that is indicators of fertility and all. Thank you.